I'm driving a van! Woo! Beep, beep. Oh, fuck me. Oh, sorry. I'm gonna go up here so you can take over. It's Monday and we're doing an Ikea trip today. Oh god.
Where are you going?
I just wanted to go up here because it's quiet and we can turn around up here. I'm putting it here. You can take the car.
Useless.
I'm too scared. Hi everyone! So yeah, we are off to Ikea today, all the way in far north London. And we've rented a van out. Oh, look at him. I'm gonna show you his reflection in the van. Look at that. Look at that little baby angel just having like a snug. You having a little snuggly on me? Yes, he is. So we rented a van because it's the stuff we want is only available in Tottenham, and we either had to wait. Oh, slippy dog. Are you okay? Oh, I think he's a little bit scared. I think it's only, yeah, basically we could only either get it delivered in a month's time or pick it up today in the van. So yeah, rented a van. Saves us the time. Costs about like £80 or something, which is pretty decent for 24 hours. And yeah, so, oh, I think he's a little bit scared. The way he's like, look at him. I've told him he can have his own seat for himself if he wanted, next to the driver, but he didn't want it. But yeah, basically I've swapped out with Jimmy because I don't really want to drive anymore. I had no excitement, but I just feel like driving all the way to Tottenham, 90 minutes in a car, in a van, it's not for me. So yeah, we're just gonna cruise it on up. Do you not like David Beckham, mate? Did you saw it?
Yeah.
Da-da-da, this is where we've ended up. I told Jimmy I don't think he's allowed in there. I think it's drive-through only. And by the looks of it, I think I was right. Fuck, we're gonna have to do the drive-through in the van. Drive-through only?
Yeah, it says fucking 2.7 meters max height.
Oh, we're fine. Yeah, we're fine. We're doing it.
Let's just fucking get out, please.
I don't know.
Yep.
What do you got?
Large, and can I get a toffee latte, 5 chicken selects.
Dips. Can we have some like sweet chili sauce and barbecue
sweet chili
sauce?
And barbecue.
Are we stuck?
No, we're just in the curb.
Okay.
See, this is the one that we fucking get.
Fine.
And there's no fucking, that's short, man.
But we fit under. This is such a disaster. We were meant to be like, originally this van was meant to be back by this time at 6 o'clock. We've only really just got to Ikea. It's so dark because they haven't got any of the lights on here, and we just drove around for ages. We couldn't find where we were meant to go. It really is an absolute, like, this isn't good. This has been a bit of a bad start to week. I feel really bad. I like grew up being such a people pleaser that anytime I do something, my battery died every single time then. But yeah, basically I feel really bad because I just hate inconveniencing people. Like, I hate it. I just feel really bad. Like, I just feel really guilty when I put people out like that. I don't know, I shouldn't. Like, it is what it is. There's no point feeling guilty about it. There's no point wasting any like energy on it. But oh my god, I just sit here being like, oh my god, does this person hate me now because I've put them in a difficult situation, or I put them in an annoying situation? Do they hate me because they really wish they weren't doing this? And it's really silly. But yeah, Jimmy's off. He's gone to try and find somewhere to go to the toilet. My phone's out of battery. Jimmy's phone has 16%. So yeah, Hendrix is trying to find Jimmy. Oh, is that Jimmy? Have you spotted him? Has he spotted him? He spotted him. more.
What are you doing? You silly boy, you didn't know it was me, did you? Where's he going?
He's such a fucking idiot. He always winds him up like that. He always winds him up like that. Oh yeah, you oh. Are you trying to have a go at the camera now? Hendrix, both hands on the wheel, please. Both hands on the wheel. Hi guys, sorry I didn't vlog yesterday. It's now Wednesday. I think we are getting on to finishing off the spare room, putting the wardrobes up. Yuck. That's so gross. We just squeezed like a big spot on my neck and it's like oozing. But also kind of fun. Lovely. What are you thinking?
Make sure that you cut the wrong end.
Okay. I'll leave you alone to that. Shout me when you need me. So yeah, we've been in here for like a week now. It's still a fucking mess. So yeah, we are working on things slowly but surely. So yeah, I'm gonna do a bin run down to the bins downstairs in a little bit. And hopefully get some things tidied up. Okay, we're getting there slowly but surely. Just a couple random things left out and about. Kitchen lights are off, but they're looking nice and empty now. Maybe too empty. That's all the recycling I've got to take down. So lots and lots. The spare room is coming along really nicely. I mean, it might not look it, but we're almost done. Hi guys, happy Thursday. So I'm just sorting things out in the spare room. Let me just turn some music, this off. I'm just watching Married at First Sight Australia. Would highly recommend. It's absolute pure trash. But I feel like it's exactly what we need right now. Like, I love a bit of trash TV. I think it's perfectly okay to be really balanced in what you like to watch and what you like to listen to. A bit of trash, a bit of highbrow stuff, some deep documentaries. There's room for all of it. So I am feeding the trash void that has been left from watching lots of Real Housewives episodes with Married at First Sight Australia, the most recent season. So juicy. I'm already 4 episodes in and I'm so hooked. It's like I can see why people who watch Love is Blind were like, oh yeah, this is like similar to Married at First Sight. So yeah, by we I mean literally me. We're just working through things. So anyway, let me show you where we're at with the spare room / walk-in wardrobe. This obviously needs organising. I just put that stuff on there temporarily. And then as to these, oh god, I'm tripping. And then yesterday, so we put this up. Jimmy did the frame, obviously, as you probably saw from the videos, and then I actually put in all the drawers. I made them, and I put in all them. They were super easy. No! Out! You don't come in here, you're not allowed. He wants to come in here so bad. There you go, good boy! Coffee break! Oh my god, this is so upsetting. My bloody expensive Anthropology S-Mug just broke. All I did, I just like lifted it up like that and it just came apart. So that's freaking sad. Hendrix, what are you doing? What are you doing? What's that? What's that? Progress in the spare room. Yes, it's looking good. I'm really happy we went for this little unit here, which is just like this corner add-on. I'm so glad we got it because it just gives that extra space for the bag. So yeah, there's only a few more things left to do now. You're going in the bath. You're going in the bath. Is that why you're looking quite scared? Is it because you're like, oh shit, don't make me go in there. So Hendrix hates the bath, so we have a little bit of assistance. Come on. Come on. Come on, in the bus.
No. What's he doing?
You're having a bath time.
What's this knot you've got? Oh. What's wrong? Doggy paddle. Go for doggy paddle. There boy.
There we go. Good boy.
Good boy.
Oh my baby, look at his testicles.
Little bat, look at his wings.
Hey little baby bat.
Let go of my hand.
He's clinging onto you. Oh my gosh. Come on, let's get you nice and dry. Okay. We'll blow dry you in a minute, pal. I'll give you more. Oh, he's okay. Oh, he's getting his teethies out at you.
How attractive and how willing.
I was in the mood for something really naughty tonight. So yeah, I thought I'd cook a carbonara tonight. I'm doing one with kale in. Not because I feel like it's gonna make it any healthier as such or any like less naughty at all. It's just simply because I just want a bit of green. I want a tiny bit of veggies, then that's only going to be a little bit. So yeah, I've got everything ready to go. I've got my cheese, I've got the pasta cooking, I've got the bacon, and then the eggs for the sauce.